Once upon a time, in a cozy little house at the edge of the forest, there lived a kind boy named Rayyan. Rayyan loved to play outside with his friends, but he also knew that helping his mother was very important. One sunny morning, Rayyan woke up early. As he stretched and yawned, he heard his mother in the kitchen. She was getting ready to make breakfast, but there was so much to do. Rayyan could see that she needed help. Rayyan thought for a moment. I want to help Mommy today, he said to himself. So, he hurried to the kitchen and asked, Mommy, can I help you with breakfast? His mother smiled warmly. Of course, Rayyan. Thank you for offering. Could you please set the table for us? Rayyan was excited to help. He grabbed the plates, cups, and spoons and carefully placed them on the table. When he was done, he looked at the table and smiled proudly. Everything looked perfect. After setting the table, Rayyan noticed the basket of fruits on the counter. Mommy, can I help by washing the fruits? He asked. That's a great idea, Rayyan, his mother replied. So, Rayyan washed the apples, bananas, and grapes, making sure they were clean and ready to eat. As they sat down for breakfast, Rayyan's mother said, Rayyan, you did such a wonderful job helping today. Thank you. Rayyan felt happy inside. He knew that helping his mother made her day a little easier and made their home a happier place. After breakfast, Rayyan's mother asked, Rayyan, would you like to help me in the garden today? Yes, Mommy, Rayyan exclaimed. He loved spending time with his mother and helping her with all sorts of tasks. Together, they planted flowers, watered the plants, and pulled out the weeds. It was hard work, but Rayyan didn't mind because he was having fun and knew he was making a difference. As the sun began to set, Rayyan and his mother sat on the porch, enjoying a glass of lemonade. I'm so proud of you, Rayyan, his mother said. You are such a big help today. Rayyan smiled and gave his mother a big hug. I love helping you, Mommy. It makes me happy. And from that day on, Rayyan always made sure to lend a hand whenever he could, knowing that even the smallest help could bring a big smile to his mother's face. The end.